Crash 3.0 strategy on Optimal FX. Guys, this is one of the best strategy to trade Crash 500 index and make massive profit. Now, this strategy is mainly for those trading with small accounts. If you are trading with $50, $100, $200, this is the perfect strategy for you to use and trade Crash 500 index and make massive profit. Now you need only two indicators, moving average and ADX. These are what the only two indicators you need to make consistent profit trading Crash 500 index. Now, like I said, those starting with $50, $100, $200, this is a perfect strategy for you to trade Crash 500 and make massive profit. Now you don't need to be afraid of Spark, do you understand? Because the strategy focuses on trading in favor of Spark, do you understand? All the Spark will be in your favor. So what I want you to do is to do what? Pay attention, understand every bit of this video, understand how it is being applied, how the setup is being done, and apply it the way it is, and you will enjoy consistent profit. Like as I said, this Crash 3.0 strategy, Crash 500 index, do you understand? So now this time frame is 4-hour time frame, do you understand? Now let me show you how to set up the indicators, two indicators, moving average and what ADX. They are what the only two indicators you need to make consistent profit. So now let me show you how to set up the indicator. First of all, I need to delete the current settings on my screen now. So now you go on F. Now the first indicator is moving average. This is what moving average, and what the settings for moving average. The period is 200. Do you understand? Method exponential, apply to close. Do you understand? Now the next, once you are done setting up the moving average, you click on done. Do you understand? Now the next indicator is ADX. You click on F block sign. Now you locate average directional movement index indicator on my screen. Now that is what the first indicator, which is it. So this is what the second indicator will be needed in this particular strategy. Do you understand? So you click on it. So once you click on it, this is what the settings for average directional movement index. The period is what? 100. Do you understand? Now the style, choose one pixel. Now change the color to white. Do you understand? This is what I mean. Change the color to be what? White. Then the pixel 1. Do you understand? Now plus the eye, the color should be green, minus the eye, the color should be red. Do you understand? So this is all you need to set up the average directional movement index. So once you're done setting up this way, you click on what? Done. Now this is all about the settings. Now the next thing is to show you how to make use of this indicator. This is our chart. Now there is some things you need to, there are some conditions. Now first of all is that now in this particular strategy, we are trading in direction of what? Spark. We are only trading, we are only selling. Do you understand? We only focus on sell. Like as I said, this particular strategy is meant for small account holders, for $50 account holder, $100 account, $200 account. If you are trading within this range, now make sure you understand every bit of this video, understand it, focus it, and you will see how exponential your profit will be. To understand now, so the first condition is that the candlesticks must be below moving average. That is what the first condition. The candlesticks must be what? Below moving average. This is a 200 moving average. The candlesticks must be below it. Now once the candlesticks are below the moving average, now the next your entry should be from the side of ADX. Do you understand? Now when the ADX crosses, look at this. This is the first crossing here. Do you understand? This is what the first crossing. This is where the crossing occur here. Look at it here. This is where the first crossing occur. Do you understand? Like this particular one, there is no much gain here because this is the from the point where the crossing just occur from the side of a moving average. Now here is what the second crossing here. If you make there, we will make a small profit here, but look at this. Look at where the main crossing occur here. So you make here sell. Do you understand? Like as I said, we are only selling. Do you understand? We are what? Only selling, so that we will be in favor of Sparks. Do you understand? Like as I said, this particular strategy is for small account holders. Do you understand? That's the reason why we are focusing on only sell. Like as I said, the first condition is that the candlesticks must be below moving average. Then from the side of ADX, where the red line of ADS crosses the green line of ADS, we make our sell entry. We are only focusing on sell. Do you understand? We are what? Only focusing on sell. Now, where the green line of ADS crosses the red line of ADS, we exit like this point. From this point of green line crossing the red line, we don't do anything here. But once the red line crosses again, we make our sell entry. Do you understand? Only sell. Do you understand? This is crash 500. Do you understand? So we are only focusing on sell, so that the sparks will be on our favor, because we are trading with a small. For those trading with a small account, this is a perfect strategy for you. Do you understand? So you will be always in the favor of sparks. Do you understand? So you continue making your profit. Look at it. You continue making your profit. Now, once the green line of ADS crosses from within this range where the green line of ADS is above, you don't do anything here. You stay away from the market. You don't do anything. All your target should be where the red line crosses. Again, do you understand? Like here, see where the red line crosses. So if you make your entry here, this is a small profit for you. You go out again when the green line crosses above. Now you wait again. Now when the red line crosses again, you make your entry here. Do you understand? You make your sell entry. So only focus on sell. Do you understand? Provided the candlesticks are below moving average. Do you understand? So you make your sell entry here. Make your sell entry from this point, and this is what? Massive profit. As you can see, the candlesticks are still below moving average. Now when the candlesticks are above moving average, you don't do anything. Do you understand? You don't do anything. You only trade when the candlesticks are below moving average, and they only sell. Do you understand? So this is the way you will be able to grow your small account fast. Do you understand? So this is a crash 3.0 strategy on Optima FX. Do you understand? So for those trading with small accounts, $50 account, $100 account, $200 account, this is a perfect strategy for you to grow your account fast. Do you understand? So don't forget, this is Optima FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit. Thank you.